Finally, we have come to the end of this chapter. Before we summarize it, let's try some past year examination questions. You may pause the video and try the questions first before the discussion for the solution. Question 1. The quadratic equation 2 minus h x squared minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0, where h is a constant, has two different roots. Find the range of values of h. This is a 3 marks clone question taken from SPM 2010 paper 1. First, we have the quadratic equation 2 minus h x squared minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0, where our a is equal to 2 minus h, b is equal to negative 4, and c is equal to 5. We are also told that it has two different roots. Two different roots also indicates that b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. Hence, to find the range of values of h, we substitute the values of a, b, and c into the discriminant. Negative 4 squared minus 4 times 2 minus h times 5 is greater than 0. Then we expand the inequality. Negative 4 squared, we get a 16. For this part, we multiply the 4 and the 5 first, then only multiply with 2 minus h. 4 times 5, 20. 20 times 2, 40. 20 times h, we get 20h. And negative, we get a positive. And it is greater than 0. We further simplify it. We will get negative 24 plus 20h is greater than 0. 20h is greater than 24. Divide both sides with 20. H is greater than 24 over 20. Therefore, h is greater than 6 over 5. Question 2. This is a 3 marks clone question taken from SPM 2012 paper 1. Given 4 and p plus 1 are the roots of the quadratic equation x squared minus bracket 2q plus 1x plus 12 is equal to 0, where p and q are constant. Find the value of p and of q. We have the equation x squared minus bracket 2q plus 1x plus 12 is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 2q plus 1, and c is equal to 12. We also have the roots of the equation 4 and p plus 1. We are asked to find the values of p and of q. To do so, we need to find the sum of root and product of root. The sum of root is 4 plus p plus 1 is equal to negative b over a. We simplify the equation. 5 plus p is equal to negative times negative is a positive 2q plus 1. We rearrange it. We get p minus 2q is equal to 1 minus 5. Hence, we get p minus 2q is equal to negative 4. We let this be equation 1. For product of root, 4 multiplied with p plus 1 is equal to c over a. We divide both sides by 4, we get p plus 1 is equal to 12 over 4, which is 3. Therefore, p is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. We substitute the value of p equal to 2 into equation 1. 2 minus 2q is equal to negative 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 2q. 2q is equal to 6. Q is equal to 6 divided by 2, we get 3. Question 3. This is a clone question taken from SPM 2009, paper 2. The quadratic equation x squared plus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0 has roots alpha and beta where alpha is greater than beta. X squared plus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0 where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to negative 18. The roots of the equation are alpha and beta, where alpha is greater than beta. A. Find the value of alpha and of beta. Since we have the roots of the equation, we can find sum of root and product of root. Sum of root is equal to alpha plus beta, which is equal to negative b over a. We make alpha our subject. Alpha is equal to negative 3 minus beta. We let it be equation 1. Product of root is equal to alpha multiplied with beta, which is c over a. We let it be equation 2. Substitute equation 1 into equation 2. Negative 3 minus beta multiplied with beta is equal to negative 18. We expand the bracket. Negative 3 beta minus beta squared is equal to minus 18. This is a quadratic equation, so we will rearrange it into the general form and find the roots for beta. Beta squared plus 3 beta minus 18 is equal to 0. We open two brackets. Beta squared is beta and beta. 18 can be 1 times 18, 2 times 9, and 3 times 6. We need to get a positive 3 beta. Hence, we will choose this combination. 3 and 6. To get positive 3 beta, we need to plus 6 beta minus 3 beta. And this is equal to 0. Therefore, beta minus 3 is equal to 0, or beta plus 6 is equal to 0. For beta minus 3 is equal to 0, beta is equal to 3. And for beta plus 6 is equal to 0, beta is equal to negative 6. Since we have two values for beta, we will have two sets of answer. Let's find the first set. Substitute beta is equal to 3 into either equation. Here I choose equation 1. Alpha is equal to negative 3 minus 3, which is negative 6. Hence, the first set of answer is alpha is equal to negative 6, beta is equal to 3. For the second one, substitute beta equal to negative 6 into either equation. Here, I choose equation 1 again. Alpha is equal to negative 3 minus negative 6, which is negative 3 plus 6, 3. For the second set, we have alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to negative 6. Actually, both the answer for alpha and beta are interchanged. Because we only know that the roots are alpha and beta, so it doesn't matter which value is alpha, which value is beta. But for this question, a condition is given. We are told that alpha is greater than beta. Hence, we need to ignore the first set of answer. And our final answer will be alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to -6. A2. Find the range of x if x squared plus 3x minus 18 is less than 0. X squared plus 3x minus 18 is less than 0. We can factorize this inequality again, or if you notice, this expression looks exactly like this one. We can use this directly. But here I will show you another method of doing this inequality. We know that the roots are alpha and beta. Hence, we can actually write this expression in this way. X minus alpha, x minus beta. Then we substitute the values of alpha and beta into this inequality. X minus 3, x negative and negative, we get a positive, plus 6 is less than 0. For this inequality, I will solve it by using graph sketching method. This is the x-axis. We have -6 and 3. We have a positive x squared, hence it is a smiling curve. We are finding the area that is less than 0, which is this part. Hence, the range of values of x is between -6 and 3. B. Using the values of alpha and of beta from A, form the quadratic equation which has roots alpha minus 4 and 2 beta plus 3. Our alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to -6. We are asked to form a new equation with new roots. The first root is alpha minus 4, which is 3 minus 4, -1. The second root is 2 beta plus 3, which is equal to 2 multiplied with -6 plus 3, -12 plus 3. The second root is -9. To form a new equation, we need to find the sum of root and product of root. Sum of root is equal to -1 plus -9, which is equal to -1 minus 9, -10. Product of root is equal to -1 multiplied with -9. We will get 9. Therefore, the new equation is x squared minus sum of root x plus product of root is equal to 0. That is, x squared plus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. Question 4. This question is taken from Cambridge IGCSE Additional Mathematics, June 2014, Paper 2, Question 5. A. Express 2x squared minus x plus 6 in the form p bracket x minus q squared plus r, where p, q, and r are constants to be found. We are given an expression in general form and we need to change it into vertex form. 2x squared minus x plus 6. First, we need to factorize out the 2 before we can perform completing the square. 2 bracket x squared minus 1 over 2x plus 3. Now the a value for the expression inside the bracket has become 1. We can proceed from here. Put the x here, put the square here, minus b, divide by 2. Then we need to minus -1 over 4. 2 times 2 is a 4, square. and don't forget plus 3. We simplify the equation. 2 bracket x minus 1 over 4 square minus negative and negative, we get a positive. 1 over 4 square will be 1 over 16 plus 3. 2 bracket x minus 1 over 4 square plus 47 over 16. Then we need to expand the bracket back. We will get 2 bracket x minus 1 over 4 square plus 47 over 8. B. Hence, state the least value of 2x squared minus x plus 6 and the value of x at which this occurs. We are asked to state the least value of this expression and also the value of x when it occurs. If we let this expression be y, then this question is looking for the least value, meaning the smallest value of y, that is the minimum y. The minimum value is represented by r when the expression is written in vertex form. Hence, our minimum y will be 47 over 8. And don't forget, the minimum value of y will occur at the symmetrical line. Therefore, x minus 1 over 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 over 4. To make sure that this is a minimum value, we can check. Our a is 2, which is greater than 0. Hence, it is a smiling curve, and it is the minimum value.